Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see this new technologies, friends. What is the Google Antigravity? It introduced, I think, 10 months back, friends. Okay, so we are going to see this today. So what is the Google Antigravity? Google Antigravity, it is an AI-powered software development and agent-first platform created by Google. Okay, so we are going to see this demo also, friends. Okay, the how technology has changed. The old way, typewriters and spell checks, we do all the heavy lifting. We write every single instruction line by line. But the anti-gravity way, it's like a manager, friends. Okay, we explain what we want in a plain words, so it will do for us. It will build it and test it completely on their own, friends. Okay, so meet our digital helpers, the planner, the builder, and finally the tester. So these are the things which we are having here. The planner basically takes our big idea and breaks it to the smaller thing. And what we can create with this anti-gravity friends. So we can use this by using this anti-gravity like interactive applications and websites, and we can automate the daily task and zero coding required. So no need to we don't need to know programming languages, friends. Okay, just we need our creativity and plain English are all it takes. So then collaborate seamlessly, friends. So let's start the demo, friends. Okay, I'm going to start the demo. Let's see the demo. Okay, so this is very very simple, friends. Okay, no need to. If anti-gravity means we will think like something okay, but this is very very simple, friends. So go to that Google anti-gravity. Okay, I'm doing from scratch, friends. So first we have to download it first. Okay, I'm using Windows operating system. So I'm going to download for Windows. Okay, so here you can click this download for x64. Now it is downloading. Let's wait for that. Okay, okay. So let's wait for that, friends. Now what I'm doing, just I'm clicking the downloads, friends. Okay, just clicking the downloads. So this anti-gravity x64 we have downloaded, friends. Okay, just I'm going to click it. Double click this, friends. Okay, now it is installing. It is running. Okay, it is installing. Okay, so just we have to wait for that. It will take less than 2 minutes only, friends. Okay, no need to worry. It will take less than 2 minutes. Okay, loading anti-gravity. Let's wait for that. Okay. So now you just to see these friends, it's like Google Gemini or ChatGPT, right? Like that only, friends. Okay. So what I need to do, next step is I am going to open the Claude, friends, Claude AI tool. Okay. So welcome, Vishnu. I am a Claude. Okay. Now what I am giving, I am giving this prompt, this prompt. Okay. I need to develop a website for my online training course for Google Cloud, Python, SQL, Terraform, Linux by using the Python. Okay. I'm going to take some online courses like this. I'm giving it, friends. And I need to create a website. Okay. I need to develop a website by using the Python script. So I have given it. So the code came, friends. Okay. End-to-end code came. Just I'm clicking the download. It is downloading, friends. Okay. It is downloading. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to upload this code to the anti-gravity, friends. We are going to see the magic, okay? We are going to see the magic, friends. So this is the path which I have done, okay? I have uploaded. This is the site underscore release, friends. So here you can see application.python data underscore Python and the static folder, template folder. So here we are having this, right? Okay. Sounds great, friends. Now what next, So next is we are going to upload the same code, okay, upload the same code to the anti-gravity, friends. So how to do that? So go to the anti-gravity. We are going to click the anti-gravity, friends. Okay, already we have opened it, right? So same thing. So here we have to create a new project, friends. Okay, whenever you are creating something new, you have to create a new project. Okay, so just I have I'm going to create a new project. So click it here and click new project. And here we have to select the code, friends, that folder, right? So that folder I have selected it, friends. Okay, the code folder only. Okay, so here you just see the magic, friends. Just I'm typing this, just I'm giving the plain text English. Okay, launch the application in my local. That's it, friends. So you just sit and relax. Okay, just click accept, approve. Yes, like that only you have to click. That's it, friends. So now it is working. Okay, it started working. Just I'm going to click this is allow this time. Allow launching class applications. We are using the class application. It is using the class applications. Okay. So just click allow. Okay. So now let's record that and click submit. Okay. Then again, it is creating the virtual environment. So just click allow. We here minimal human interaction is required. Okay, minimal human interaction is required for approval only. Okay, just for approval, just for our verification or validations, whatever. Can say that. Okay. So it is working right now, friends. Okay, so you are going to see the magic words. In few minutes, the website will be created, friends. If you don't know the coding, right? So you can use this, friends, anti-gravity. Okay, but just basic understanding we should have, friends. Okay, just basic understanding we should have. So yeah. So now the server status came. I'm going to click this URL, friends. I'm going to click the URL. Let's we are going to see that now. Yeah. Now you can see, friends. Learn the stack the production. So this is the website I could show, friends. So website has been created. The course is also you can see it, friends. So you can see right the GCP, Terraform, Linux, SQL, Python. We can click it also. This is a sample I have given it, friends. It's like a prompting only, okay? It's like a prompting. Whatever we want, we need to give in the prompting only, friends. Okay, so just click the prompting and you just ask this anti-gravity. I want this, I want that, I need this content. I need it should be updated like this. You can modify whatever, friends. Okay, you can play with that. This is a simple demo, friends. Okay, it's a quick start, I could say. So if someone is saying about anti-gravity, you have to say this is the anti-gravity, friends. Okay, it's like a idea. I think after seeing this session, definitely you will get some idea, friends, about this Google Anti-Gravity. Okay, so I think last week only I have seen this, friends, Google Anti-Gravity. So I thought to upload this, friends. Okay, so this is the Google Anti-Gravity. Basically, the Google Anti-Gravity, it is an AI-powered software development and agent-first platform created by Google, friends. Okay. In simple terms, I could say what is anti-gravity. So anti-gravity, it's like a full-scale, dedicated agent-first development platform and command center created by Google, friends. Okay. So how it works, instead of just chatting or running commands in a terminal, anti-gravity functions like a mission control room for autonomous AI agents, friends. So in this, actually, after launching the website, right, just you can click the stop also, friends. Okay, you just click the stop. I think I didn't say it, friends. So stop the applications in this anti-gravity itself. Just button it will be there. So just click that stop button and your website will be gone, friends. Okay, your website will be gone. You can see this also. The page cannot be displayed like that. Friends. Okay, page cannot be displayed. Let me show it again, friends. Okay, so here you can see the stop the applications also it will be, friends. Okay, so here you can see stop task, right? So stop task, if you are clicking, then your page will be gone, friends. Okay, your page will be gone. I think I couldn't tell that. So, yeah, I'm just I have done that video friends already. Just I'm giving the voiceover. Okay, that's what. So you can also try from your end friends. Okay, then page will be gone. Okay, after clicking that stop. That, okay. Yeah, you can see friends cannot reach this page. I think you got the this technology friends. Okay, Google Antigravity, how it works also. Okay, so you can also try from your end friends. Thank you so much. It's the Google, the role we play. It's like you act as a project manager overseeing a team of automated AI workers. Friends. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.